I've been selling on TikTok Shop since it was in early access, and it has been pretty good. Kinda. I've made a bunch of videos showing you how to use this new platform and how to take advantage of its unique features and incentives. But it is definitely not a perfect marketplace, and there's a bunch of little things that they need to fix. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the top 5 worst issues of TikTok Shop Marketplace. These issues will not only make you lose a lot of time and money, but it can also get you banned for things outside of your control. Hey guys, it's the eCommerce here. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's start with the first issue. Cancel orders due to collection timeout. Man, this one is frustrating and it has already made me lose money. Let me show you. When you go to your Manage Orders page and you click on the Cancel tab, you're gonna be able to see all of the orders that were canceled because people changed their mind and they canceled the order or the payment didn't go through, all valid reasons. But check this on your panel also because you might be losing money and not be aware of this. When I was scrolling down, I see these 2 orders that were canceled automatically due to collection timeout. What? I shipped these orders, the client already has them. Look, this is the tracking number. The client already received these products. But TikTok canceled the order because they didn't receive tracking updates, meaning that I shipped the package, but USPS didn't scan the package within the 7-day collection window. And the rule is that the package has to be collected within 7 days or the platform will automatically cancel the order. So let me tell you why this is such a bad rule and why it doesn't work. You see, I use USPS to ship the vast majority of my orders, and USPS sends a mailman to my building to pick up all of the USPS packages, my business and many other businesses. Now here's the problem. The mailman almost never scans the packages when he collects them. I've had packages that were picked up and then they just sat on the USPS truck or on the distribution center for days until they were routed and scanned. But not only that, because sometimes the package is already en route, but they didn't scan it or the tracking information takes 48 hours to 72 hours to update. So it is not reliable and TikTok shouldn't be canceling orders due to collection timeout. Like, not even Amazon does that. Amazon knows when the package gets tracked, but they only care about when you print the label, when you actually ship it, and also when the customer receives the package. Alright? So they only care about those 2 things. TikTok is caring about this additional thing that is not reliable information. And look, in a perfect world where USPS gives the best service always, this wouldn't be an issue. But it happens that my business is in Miami Beach, and we have the worst USPS in United States, I believe. In fact, before moving to Miami, I used to conduct my business in Cape Coral. It's another city in Florida. And man, the service of USPS was amazing. The mailman will come to my house. It wasn't even a business, it was a house. He will come to my house and scan every single package right there when they will pick it up. And I remember paying around $2.40 to send a t-shirt with tracking, 1 to 5 days delivery across entire United States. Now I pay almost $5 for the same package and it gets delivered so much later and the tracking information is trash. So I don't know if this is an issue of the USPS in my area or if it's just that USPS has lowered the quality of their service by a lot. I don't know, let me know in the comments, because USPS is killing my business and I think it's killing a lot of small businesses that require a cheap shipping option for packages that don't weigh so much. It's gotten to a point that it is cheaper for someone in China to ship a package all the way here to United States to my neighbor than for me to ship the same package to my neighbor from the actual United States from the same city. But okay, I'm done ranting about USPS. Now let's go with the second TikTok issue. Hidden customer information. Let me show you. Look, I just got this order, so I'm gonna check the details. When you try to see the information of the customer, it's all blanked. So I don't know who's getting this package. And with my accent, I don't even want to guess I don't want to guess it on YouTube because it might sound like something that I'm not saying. So this causes a few issues. For example, if I'm packing the orders and then I mess up somehow, then I cannot find the order inside TikTok Shop Seller Center because the label has the actual name, but on TikTok Shop, I will have to be guessing through all of the orders which one matches, right? Or let's say that I want to have a database of all my repeat customers. I cannot have it because they hide all of their information. But if instead of buying the labels through TikTok like they recommend, you say that you want to buy the labels yourself, then you can see all of this information and you can store it and you can do whatever you want with it. So I don't think protecting customers' data is the main reason. I think the actual reason is that they want to make sure that you know that those are not your customers. Those are TikTok Shop's customers. So just like Amazon. And I don't like that, because if something happens and you stop selling on TikTok Shop or you get banned, anything, you don't have those clients to transfer them to your website. You cannot retarget them, you cannot add them to a customer list so you can send them special offers when new products come out. And I just find it ironic that a social media platform that collects so much data about its users claims that they are doing this to protect their users' privacy. No. They just want to keep their customers for them. And really quickly, if you're enjoying the content so far, please give me a like and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now let me tell you about the TikTok Shop biggest issue number 3, Unfulfilled free samples. So you know how TikTok allows you to offer free sample products to people in exchange for contents. If you go to your TikTok Shop affiliate panel and you click on sample requests, you can see everybody that has requested a free samples. And from here, you can approve or deny them. So I have approved a few of them. So I send them the free products that they requested, but only a few of them actually make the content. Let me show you. When you click on the cancel tab, you can see the people that you have rejected, right? That you didn't want to send them a free product because they might not match your brand or whatever reason you might have. But also here you can see how some people you have actually accepted, but the creator didn't publish the content. For example, there's 2 of them right here. So these people have a product for free and they didn't make the content. So what happens now? Do they pay for the product? Do they ship me back the product? What happens? TikTok Shop doesn't have a way to enforce creators to publish content. And there are no repercussions for creators when they fail to deliver. And they need to fix this as soon as possible, because this is affecting creators, not only businesses. Because before I used to approve almost everyone, but now I'm being extremely cautious. So less creators are getting free products from me, and they are not gonna be able to make the content and get commissions, right? So there has to be repercussions. If the creator doesn't make the content, either they pay for the product and they keep it, or they send you the product back and they pay the shipping, of course. And I don't even care if the video that they make doesn't sell. You know, it's a risk that I'm taking, I'm willing to take it, but you know, they have to deliver. Now let's go with TikTok Shop biggest issue number 4, printed shipping labels and packing slips. So this one, I demand that they fix it now, because it shouldn't be too hard to do and it causes a lot of trouble. When you print the order using their template, you will find that there is no identifiable information on the shipping label and on the packing slip. Like there's a bunch of numbers on the shipping label and also on the packing list, but none of them are duplicated. So if you misplace the packing list, then you don't know which order is that label for. And I actually suffered from this the first day that I started selling on TikTok Shop, because I got like 3 orders. So I printed them and I tear apart the packing list and also the shipping label. And of course, when I was packing the orders, I misplaced one of the shipping labels and I had no way of knowing which was which. So I had to reprint the 3 labels, you know, and be very cautious to not tear away the shipping label from the packing list and, you know, be very cautious about it. Now let's go with TikTok Shop biggest issue number 5. Platform navigation. So they put so much stuff in this marketplace and they organize it kinda nice. However, if you want to get information, for example, about an order, you have to make so many clicks. Let me show you. I wanna see how much money I got paid for an order. So let's click here on orders, then let's click on manage order. That's already 2 clicks. That's fine for now. Now let's go to all. And let's check out our newest order. Okay, so another click here on the order number. Now, how much did I make for this order? $22? Well, no. Let's check out the details. They actually display everything very transparent. Okay, so the item cost $24.95, but I had a discount going on of $3.75. TikTok Shop didn't give them any additional discount. they didn't apply for this order. And then the shipping was $5.99, but TikTok Shop paid for the shipping. All right, they gave them that coupon. So $22.74, that's not actually what I make. So you have to go to what you earn, and then you will see the real number. But this is an estimated amount. So you have to click one more time, and it opens a whole new other page that takes a little bit of time to load. And then here is where you actually see the total settlement amount. So the customer paid the $22.74, but then you have to subtract the fees. This is the TikTok Shop fee, all right? Is 30 cents per order plus 2%. Here are the details. And also this order was actually sold by some creator that posted a video about my product. So since he sold it, he got the commission. So he's making $4.24. This money has to be subtracted from the product sale. And finally, you have the sales tax. So in total, I make $16. Now, this is all very transparent, but you have to navigate so much to see it. I am wondering if there is a better way to display all of this. But maybe I'm just nitpicking too much, because overall I'm extremely happy with this platform. It has been very good to me, and I think it provides a lot of great opportunities for sellers. And that's why I talk so much about it on my channel. And if you want to see all of the videos that I have about TikTok Shop, I have them all right here on this playlist. Thank you. Like and subscribe. I'm out.